How to add friend on Steam. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'll show you how can you add friends on Steam. So if you wish to go ahead and add a friend on Steam, you have to follow these steps. First of all, open up your Steam application and launch the game. So when you're on this page, you want to click on the Friends tab from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you would see a drop down menu as Add a Friend. You could go ahead and click on Add a Friend and it's going to direct you to this page. Here you want to go ahead and copy the code or your friend, and then you want to go ahead and enter in the friends code to invite them to connect. And after which you want to go ahead and click on the enter button, and you could also go ahead and try searching for the profile such as this, and when you locate it, so you could go ahead and click on add friend. However, if you're unable to add it in this way, or if you're having some issue regarding this particular method, then you could go with the next one, that is click on the profile or your username from the top of the page, and then you want to go to friends. As you go to friends, or when you go to add friend option, then here you want to go ahead and click on add a friend. After which you just need to do the same procedure, that is enter in the code, all of that. You'll be able to add them on Steam. So that is the way you could go ahead and add friend on Steam. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.